Hi, can you make profits out of insurance? Sounds crazy, right? Yes, you can make profits out of insurance. I will tell you how to make profits from the insurance. Say suppose you have taken insurance for your car. Unfortunately, your car met with an accident and you want to claim the insurance for the car. The amount eligible for claiming will be the sum insured for the insurance you have taken for. So you will not be able to get any other benefit out of it. But in trading, you can make some profits out of doing a hedged swing trading. Yes, you heard it right. You can make profits by taking some insurance for the trade you are taking. This strategy name is called as poor man's hedged swing trading strategy. Who coined this poor man's swing trading strategy? Of course, it's me. I coined this term called poor man's hedge swing trading strategy. Let's see what is that. Say a trader wants to go long in a particular stock in an assumption that the stock will be moving further upside from the point where he is entering into the trade. So, in order to protect his portfolio from the downside, he will be buying some hedged position. Say that is, he will be buying some put options for protecting his losses in a downside. So this is how generally a hedged trade will be done. Hedged trade is nothing as like taking a insurance for your trade. Whereas in our poor man's hedged swing trading strategy, we are not going to take hedged position in the beginning itself. We will enter into the swing trading position and we will see for some time whether our position is moving in the upwards or it may be consolidating. But say the other scenario happens, your stock where you have taken from the point it started falling and when it approaches your stop loss area, then we will be taking a hedged position. That is, we will buy a put option only when the price approaches your stop loss area. So this is the difference between the poor man's hedge swing trading strategy and a classical, a general hedged trading strategy. I know what will be your next question. Say today I am buying the stock and because some bad news happens over the night and tomorrow morning the stock market crashes, and because of that the stock which I was holding also crashes, what will I do? It is a valid question. I'll tell you how to handle that scenario. So in this poor man's swing trading, what you have to do is you have to enter only in the cash market. Why cash market? You have the flexibility of holding the quantity whatever the amount you want to take risk for. Say for example, you want to invest only 1 lakh in a particular stock and you want to take 1% or up to 1.5% only in that particular stock. So according to that, you will be buying the quantities in that particular stock. So that is why I suggest you do this poor man's hedged swing trading strategy only in the cash market, not in either futures and not applicable to the options. So I hope this point is very clear. So the long story short, what is poor man's hedge swing trading strategy? The poor man's hedge swing trading strategy is nothing but you are entering the swing trading in a cash market and you are going to buy an insurance, that is you are going to buy a put option during the market hours for your swing trade only when the price approaches your stop loss area. So this is called as poor man's hedged swing trading strategy. I like to read your comments below what you think about this video, and you can suggest me what is the stock you want me to analyze for the next swing trade.